Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Ukan Rat Kesang Ma Hakasing Todin Jong Katayo Ulaong Baki Brio Kibala Syakam Bat Syapen Ngat Hakikan Don An Halo Kejing Penhuri Hura Hatura Kadei Katkum Kejing Lap Ya Sakhi Satar Kibabiang Habaya Keran Bat Kinong Patai Kubor Ukan Rat Sang Ma Ulaong Ba Kejing Temu Ba Ulan Lej Bandlum Ya Kejing Alang Bat Kiken Hun Seng Balang Kadei Banyak Kendu Ya Ki Bat Wanwat Ikilat Kilenti Kumno Banyak Chakmat Hakabiade Bat Kejing Dawa Jongki Ulah kerana kebasai bagi kinu kiban syakem kin syakem tek halor sakhi satar bat ke kebaja kamdai setia kebayahap bat shim latre ban keren halo ke jingdon kti kisangsan partai halor ke ni ke jingjia Menteri Rang Ba ulaya thu bagi seng balang kila penting kena ba shim ladon uwairu udukhat jongki bat kim itu ru yakini kibriu ki belapen mi ya ke jinghuri hura bat thermau ya ke Chief Minister's Office Ukan rat ulong bagi seng balang kilapan pau syai kedar bakim don jingtip ne don jingedei bat kini kibriu namar kilawan da kalenti ke bajai jai sya ke jing ekran ban yo ban penbat ya ke jing bat kiru kiladap da ke jing lengo bakan mi kan san kan ni ke jing tombor Ulaong ba kedau ya kinu ki seng san pertai bat barok hi kan syong katkum ki sakhi satar balada ubre udan kti hakajing kan syat ki bor ka an kin shim ya ka senjam ban le persya ya katkum ke jingdon jong ki sakhi satar Ukan rat ulaya thu ba ula betha ya ka tanat pulit ban kam tingka ya ke jing pendon kam ya ka bor bat ban tek lakam ya ki pat ba klem ke jing pen ibor bat ula pen pa ya ke jing bom song tanat halau ke jing tombor ya ki pulit bat ya ka kali ambulance ka baket ya ki pulit ki bala mensau bandra shah hospital.
So now when all of this happened, this attack that took place, from all the statements that we could make out while we were in the room, that there were external agencies or organizations or groups or individuals who were not connected with this came in, and hence there were indications, and it just so happened that a lot of these people who were then shouting outside, especially and instigating, happened to be from certain political parties who were past candidates of certain political parties, and hence from that angle that link was there. But I want to make it very clear, we are not going by political parties, or we're not even trying to say that this is this political party, that political party. All we are saying is that everything will be based on evidence. No matter what party an individual may belong to, or what organization may belong to, or whatever background the person may be from, if the person, based on proof and evidence, was involved in instigating and was involved in any way in the incident, that time will be, action will be taken against those individuals. So it is not political or party, but it is purely on the basis of evidence.